Okay, so I've just landed at Pochalla, and here to meet me is Makiri
Makiri Okiri,
from
Tearfund?
from Tearfund. Yeah.
Yes.
He's going to explain what these mini boxes contain and what they're for.
Yeah, thank you. Those boxes actually were flood response, were brought by Tearfund to support the flooded affected community. These are dignity kits. They are boxes where the dignity kits were put in. So they're meant for women and girls adolescent age, which they are the beneficiary of those items, and elderly people. So we really appreciate MAP for delivering those kits today. So as soon as possible, we will be going to distribute them to the community. Thank you so much. One of these soap. There are assorted items within this box. So as you can see. So those are the items in these boxes and made for women. These are shoes, slippers, and torches. Then t-shirts for them. And these are kitchen, African dresses. And these are the plastic indicating the items inside, and also these are they call it always those dignity kits which they use to support themselves. So each person is going to get the whole box during the distribution.
Okay, thank you, Makiri, for showing us what you're doing, and we are so happy to be able to support you in any way.
Thank you. I wish you come back next time.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
appreciate it. Okay.